Hi everyone, I'm just going to show you a little bit about how to get feedback on the assignments that I'm giving you feedback on. So one thing, if you have a Turnitin assignment, then you go back to the link where you submitted the assignment. So for example, on our 671 page, I would click on Assignments and Prospectus. And here, down here, you see that we have the prospectus assignment right here. And this is a Turnitin assignment. You can tell by this little icon. So, clicking on View Complete, we get this page next. This shows any assignments that I've submitted via Turnitin. So here's the View button that I'm going to click in order to see the assignment with the instructor's feedback on it. Once I click on that, this viewer opens up. And here you can see I'm on grade mark up here in this section. And sometimes I write in-text comments where you'll just see a comment in blue, and that's one of the types of comments that I make. Other times I might have a longer comment, or I just feel like doing it in a dialog box instead. So you would just roll your thing over this little dialog bubble, and then you can see what my comment says, such as this is a dialog box comment. Over here on the right, you can see a general comment that I usually write after reading the whole paper, and I sum up my advice or suggestions for what you need to do. And sometimes I might insert a voice comment, such as this one. This is a voice comment. Okay, so I don't do that very often, but it's one of the options. Now over here you can see that there's the number, the score that you would get. This similarity rating, it compares your paper to other papers that are online or that have been previously submitted at this university or other universities, and it tells us how similar it is. So the thing that I submitted, apparently students have used this to turn in their assignment in the past. So all of this text from this, the parts that were already on the sheet, it's similar because students have turned this in the past for my classes. So you can see it highlights all the parts that are exactly similar to papers that have been submitted before. It also checks against web sources and published journals and things like that. So you need to be careful that you don't plagiarize when you're doing your paper, because this function really helps me to see which parts were your own original work. You can check it yourself before you turn it in to make sure that you haven't made any mistakes accidentally. Okay, let's look at a different type of assignment. Gonna go back. Since Turnitin has not been working very well, what I've been using more recently is just the assignment function. So in this one, to get to my comments on the assignment function, you can go to Tools, and in Tools, click on My Grades. And then you can see here I submitted an instructional plan here. Now, if I just click on here, the only thing I'm going to get is the general comments. Okay, so if I just click on this dialog box here, I'm not going to see all of the comments that the instructor has given me on the paper. So it's best to open this up, and then you can see the comments. Here I have a comment that I put on part of the paper, and you can't really read it. So I'm going to cross this out right here and then scoot over, and I can see the whole comment. So sometimes I make comments here where I just insert them into the paper where they're relevant. Other times I give you a general comment, and you're going to see it right here. And finally, you can see your score right here. So that's the just general Blackboard assignment function of the thing. Okay, now I'm going to show you also how to get feedback on a quiz. Okay, so I'm going to actually go to a different class. I don't want to be in this class, so let me see if I can get out. It looks like I can't do that. I'll do this in another video where I show people how to get comments on their quizzes. Okay, I hope this was helpful, guys. Thanks.